Hi everyone, good morning. Hope my voice is clear to everyone. If any issues are there, let me know. And I hope you are able to see my screen also. If you're facing any issues, let us know. We will try to help you. So the first class what I took related to introduction of the Snowflake with the Snowflake account creation. I hope so everyone have that class and you done with the creation of account. Okay. Today we can go with the next topic. Okay. The next topic for any concept case, Snowflake will be little bit different actually. So if you the next topic why I'm choosing roles and users means generally. So I'm going to explain you the next topic as a roles and uses. Why I'm choosing this topic means, if you go with the general cases, okay, very general cases, if you add anything, for example, if you join in a company or in your company also, so many people will be there. So everywhere we will talk much about the roles only. For example, HR department is there. Department we are saying, but inside of that HR roles, lead role, lead role, HR manager, HR executive. Like this, we will talk about the roles. If you go with our development part also, we have developer roles, we have lead roles, we have manager roles. Like this, we have different types of roles in the company. Okay, CEO, CTO. Like this, we have a lot of. So like this, we have a lot of different roles actually, right? So generally, how the roles are very important in the companies. Same way in Snowflake also, roles and users are very important. Without roles, nothing user can touch. So always user is nothing but users is nothing but physical physical person. User is nothing but physical person. Okay, so roles is nothing but here users will have will have only the access on the roles. Okay, so generally if you go with the so if you go with anything, for example, if you go with the company, okay, just let us take a company. We will talk always about roles, right? So we have a combination of CTO role, CEO role, or else a developer role, manager role. Here you are not talking about any one person also. Just you are saying roles of the company, right? Everyone knows that. Who is coming from pure non-IT also, guys? Roles means just for example, in our family only we will have roles. Okay, as a sister, as a brother, that all roles. Here I'm not talking about any specific person, just I'm talking about the roles of the relation. Am I right? So if it may be real, if it may be company level, or if it may be our personal life also, everyone will have a role. Okay, one person will become, suppose one Praveen is the one person, he is brother to someone, son to someone, and he is a cousin to someone, right? A friend to someone. Here, person is one person, Praveen only, but his connections are different. His roles are different. Based on his role to person, they will call, they will talk, they will do whatever the works, right? Praveen also working in some company. There, he's have employee relation. So when he go to a job, he will work and he'll come back. That is employee and company and employee relation, right? When he is working, when he is with his parents, he'll take care about his parents because he is son and father, parents relation. Here I'm talking about role only. Praveen is handling multiple roles in his life. Same way, If you go with the company level also, right? If company, what is the purpose of roles means, if one role, for example, HR is there. HR department people only will have capability to do any work on top of our profiles. For example, picking the resumes, shortlisting, scheduling the scheduling the interviews, or else, for example, if you selected updating the information, negotiation of the salaries, all these responsibilities will taken by the HR. I'm not talking about a specific person here. HR will take care about this. I'm talking about the role here. Which role will take care about this means HR will take care about this. So here I'm not talking about any specific person. So, guys, how the companies or our personal life roles are very important. In Snowflake, also roles are very, very, very important, guys. Without roles, I will do something means nothing to do in roles. Without roles, no object will be accepted or no object will be able to touch it. So, without roles, we cannot do anything. Then how user will get the sorry, then how we user will get the access on that means, yes, user also will get the access with the help of role combination only. Means, for example, like this we will get. Users will assign to roles. Roles will assign to objects. Objects means inside you can go with any object like a database, followed by schema, followed by schema. Okay, table. Like this, how so many objects will get. Okay, so anyone will first object will be assigned to user. That use if you have sorry, first object will be assigned to role. If you have the access on the role, then user can you can do anything. As you can do select star from table or whatever you want, you can do. As a user, if you are able to touch this database or schema or table, how you can decide means you have the proper role. The proper role have those access or not. This call combinations only we can understand. For example, one table you are not able to access. Okay, one table. You have to understand the table, this particular role, or for example, some X role, for example, some X role. So this X role have access on this database, this schema, this table. If it have this role, have this X role have access of all these objects, then it can access, or else it cannot access. At least you have to go with that particular table where it have access, or you have to give access to roles. Any one thing it should happen. So that's the reason, guys. Today, why I'm going with the roles concept means users and roles are very important, very basic information you have to learn. As an admin, people will handle the creations actually, but as a developer, you have to have a grip on the roles and privileges. If you don't have roles and privileges like knowledge, if you are not able to create an object, create or delete or draw anything, okay, edit anything, any action, if you are not able to perform on particular object, you should have clarity like what is the problem where we are missing, and how to check, first of all, how to confirm the privileges. Those all combinations you have to understand, then only your work will be very smooth. Some cases they will ask you to work on someone, but you don't know you have access or not. If you don't have that clarity, if you have access or not, how you will do? It will say insufficient privileges. Yes, why it is insufficient? You are going with the wrong role. You want to change the role, or for whatever the roles you have, for those roles you don't have access. That all confirmation and knowledge should be available with you guys. Then only you can handle the project. Okay.
So guys, I unmuted you. Everyone can unmute and can speak. So today is the almost second class. They are technically very pure. Technically means the first class only. So till now what I explained, are you okay with that? Are you clear with that? Let me know. Then I'll jump with the next step.
Hello,
You
Sai
can,
Sri. Hello, Sai
yeah,
Sri. This is Abhishek.
yeah, Abhishek.
So, just you are going ahead now while telling the class. I'm requesting there should be a simultaneous practice of it.
Practice. I didn't touch with any, I mean, I didn't start any practical session, right? Just theoretically, I'm expecting you understood or not.
Theory part is okay. If we do anything, we'll get stuck at that time.
I will agree, Abhishek.
Hmm.
Whatever I explained, maybe you are able to catch the theory right now immediately, okay? But
Hmm.
maybe some one or two persons will be there. They are not understanding maybe this process, okay? If without that confirmation, if I move forward with that practical, it will be like no use for them. Getting
I
my
agree.
point?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
agree.
let them share if they have any questions. If they don't have any questions on this part, I'll jump to the practical.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, I have to check each and every one. That's the reason.
Yes, actually, it's clear actually users and roles.
Yeah, thank you. Others who is pure non-IT, maybe they will struggle. For them all, I am giving this opportunity to unmute. Any issues, let me know. Okay. I think no one have no question. I'm moving forward. If you have, let me know. I can help you. Okay, fine. So
Yes, Sai Sri.
now, yeah, tell me. Sorry.
Okay, if we are unable to process, create, delete, and drop, it will be roles related issue. Is it right?
100%.
Okay,
If I
based
ask
on
you
the
to
rules only user will work.
if I ask you, suppose you are the user, for example, okay,
Mm.
how you join in my company? I mean, my company means my project, okay.
Okay.
Admin will create your username and a password, all those things he will provide. He will assign some roles to you. Then immediately, as a senior person, I will provide one task to you. Can you create a test table for so and work? You'll try to create, but you are not able. I mean, you are writing correct DDL only. You are unable to create. That issue very clearly shows that you don't have privileges. Very clearly, it will shows.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, hope so. Oh, okay, guys. So now theoretically, this I hope everyone is clear with this all examples. Who is very
Hello,
new,
madam.
known? Yeah, tell me, Vamshi.
And this permissions is given by admin, madam.
Actually,
Administration.
that's the reason in middle I mentioned. This all created by roles, users, roles management, everything handled by admin. Okay,
Okay.
if you are senior developer also, the manager also, lead also, you won't get a chance to work on this. Only admin team will handle. Only this knowledge will help you to why insufficient privileges issues coming. We can understand, we can and go back to the admin and say we are not able to do this action. Can you give proper privileges? If you want to
Okay.
raise your voice, you should know the knowledge. You should have knowledge. That's the main
Okay.
reason. Okay.
Thank you.
This is purely admin topic only, guys. As a developer, you should have knowledge. And in interviews also, if any one or two questions, there's a chance to ask. Nowadays, they are not asking. Very initial days of so like almost 3 years back, I can say, one or two questions they used to ask roles and users, what roles we have like that. Now they are not asking questions. Still, knowledge is very important for developers. This topic knowledge. Okay.
Yeah, I see.
I,
Yeah.
Uh,
I, yeah, so on the top right, there is some role account admin. What is that? Like, we have different roles.
No. I'll explain. Only this part I am asking. I'll explain that all. I'll come back.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys, give me some time. Let me explain. Again, we can
voice is breaking.
session. Maybe some people are on
Actually, your voice is breaking.
internet issue. Is it fine now? One
Yes,
minute. Is it fine now?
yes,
It's
yes, no problem.
dropping in. Okay. So guys, why I mean like stopping my class and asking doubts in middle means very initial classes, guys. One or two classes, I want to make everyone comfort. Later on, I keep this doubt session at the end. But this is very like a bit hectic for everyone. So you have to be patient for 1 or 2 classes for the interrupting here and asking middle some doubts in middle. All these things you have to like adjust for 1 or 2 classes. Okay. I know so many people are not interested to ask doubts in the middle of the class, but still, please try to understand. So, guys, till now theory is completed. Now with the practical. What types of roles we have? That is the first question. What types of roles you have? Actually, we have account admin. Okay, this admin, security admin, account says security, and also org admin, public. Okay, user admin. Okay, this all are available here. Okay, don't consider this. They are doing some back end some implementations. This some one day it will be available, one day it will be disabled, so don't consider this particular role. Okay, not standard role this is. So our standard role in your real time also you'll have the same roles: account admin, org admin, public, security, sysadmin, and user admin. Sorry, still my voice is breaking.
No, ma'am, clear.
Yeah, let me. If you have any issues, ping me in the chat. So this account admin, org admin, already I made the list. Okay, let us learn what these roles, why we are using these roles, and what is the purpose of each role. Let us learn here. Okay, so first of all, guys, when we are going with the roles, we have some hierarchy here. Okay, hierarchy is very important. With the help of hierarchy only, the importance of the role will be decided. Okay, so here the roles, mainly the roles are related to in a privileges part, right? Only for the privileges only it will give access, grant the privileges to each and every object, on top of each and every object, to the users. So if you users will get access on the object with the help of the privileges of roles. Simple. So in this, what types of roles I am using means, so here we have account admin. Okay, this account admin is very powerful. In real time, you want there is a 0% chance. Okay, if you want to have this account admin access, it's a 0%. It's very powerful. It's like a owner kind of a role. Means overall account level, it's kind of a owner. You can see now here it's kind of a over kind of role, because with the help of account admin role only we can manage all the privileges, like it may be cost or it may be payment, billing, everything we can manage with the help of account admin. It is a very powerful role, like a owner. Actually we will call this role as a powerful role or owner of the Snowflake account. That much like it's a very important role. This role only will have few limited, very few limited, maybe 2 to 3 people, maybe chances are there. That also we don't know, because we are not eligible, or we are not I mean companies won't allow us to use that role. Okay, only 2 to 3 people who is the owner of the project, means a client related people. 2 to 3 people will have the access. Very powerful role. Now here this is my own account. I created my free trial account, so I am able to access this actually. But if generally it's a in real time, I'm saying, even in your user whatever the roles assigned to user in that list, even you cannot see this role. Okay, totally dedicatedly limited users and limited controls are provided to the user, because it's have very powerful privileges in Snowflake side. I mean, through the Snowflake only, account admin have very powerful. Suppose if I go to here, I can manage the billing also. Billing means payment methods. What is the billing we got? How much we have to pay? Adding the credit card. All payment related information we can manage by the account admin. So you can understand how it is very powerful. Okay, so only limited users we can expect here. And coming to next, and this is the system defined role, means no one create for every user. Okay, so what I'm trying to say means if I have 10 accounts also, automatically by default you will get the access, or sorry, by default you'll get the role. System defined roles is nothing but no one have to create by default. Okay, 1 minute. So these roles are by default, okay, without anybody's help, automatically in the GUI itself. Whenever we are creating account, by default it will create this role. That's the reason which roles are created by the default without any users involvement. Those roles are called default roles. Okay, I hope who created account they also have these roles. So it's the owner. Account admin is nothing but a owner kind of account. It have all authority to work on the account. So second thing, sysadmin. Okay, if you go with the sysadmin and with the help of sysadmin, what you can understand means if any customer, generally the purpose of this sysadmin is if you want to the grant privileges on grant privileges. Okay, if you want the grant privileges on warehouse, database, schema, tables, etc. So many objects are there, so I'm keeping etc. So if you want the grant privileges, then only you want to think, I mean, you will go with the security admin. Grant privileges on warehouse object, database, schema, table. Those on top of the etc. The only object level, if you want to talk or if you want to access, you want privileges, then we will go with the sysadmin. Means sysadmin will create the warehouse and sysadmin will give access to the other roles. That's the meaning. Okay, sysadmin means everyone, even account admin can do it, even sysadmin can do it, a security admin, org admin, user, all this can create warehouse and tables and schema. Every role have privileges to create all this. Okay, but the point here, this role, actual duty, actually who want to handle this means sysadmin. Okay, as an account admin, I can create the database. As a sysadmin, I can create security admin, org admin, and user admin. Still, what is the meaning of this means? What is the purpose of having sysadmin here means to handle if once the object is created, I mean, object will be created by sysadmin and will handle the warehouse. Means what they are trying to do means they're giving the list of the objects and dividing their works, job roles. Okay, okay, this role is particularly for this purpose. This role have to do this work, like that they are dividing. Okay, so here, whatever the objects created by sysadmin, all privileges will be taken care by sysadmin, mainly security admin. Before security admin, okay, here mainly security, sorry, before this user security admin, let us go with the user admin. So user admin is mainly for specifically for the role to grant the privilege. Okay, grant the role access, user access, the security level of the user and role. Okay, for those purpose mainly we are using the user admin. So user admin only will, I mean, only will user admin only, single user admin only will work on the user creations, role creations, and privileges of that objects. All this on top of the account level is handled by the user admin. Same way, if you go with the security admin, create, monitor, usage. Like this, whatever the privileges will be available on the object level. Again, I'm saying whatever the privileges will be available in the object level, those object level related privileges is going to handled by the security admin. So what privileges this SaiSri means? Object level. For example, database modification, database want to be created, database want to use. This kind of object level, each and every privileges can handled by the security admin. And also it inheritance the privileges of the user admin. Okay, whatever the security admin is there, it's totally inheritance the privileges of the user admin. That is the purpose of mainly. So this is also privileges management only. Okay. So here org admin. If you want to create multiple accounts, okay, on the organization level, if you want to create multiple accounts in one main account, so for that account management purpose, okay, mainly for account management purpose, it is going to hand. So these all roles you can see, guys. You can observe here. Every role you can see, and you can see here also very clearly. I have all the document. No need to worry about the theory. See, out of existing roles, one more extra role we have, that is customized roles. What is this customized roles means? Every project will have their own custom roles. Okay, those roles, if you want to create, though the created roles we will call as custom role. Means user only will create. User means who is allocated for that total account management. That admin person will come and will create the custom roles. Okay, few are system defined roles. Remaining whatever the roles we want for our project, all are custom defined roles. Means we will create the roles and we will work on it. Okay, so custom means we will create by ourselves. That's the reason. It's not defined. So whatever the theory I'm trying to explain you, everything is available in my document. Don't need to worry about my theory. Okay. So here about the, for example, org admin only to maintain the organization level, very high level. Okay, organization level, account creations, account management, all this related to all the reasons, usage of the account, okay, across all the organization, that all entire things will be related by, I mean, managed by the org admin. And sysadmin is whatever the role is encapsulate the system and security defined roles. Okay, these two. Based on that, this account admin will handle, and also very limited. Here clearly mentioned, very limited and controlled number of users are going to handle. Means account admin have very limited users. Okay, means for example, normal customized roles have 10 users access. Means account admin will have 2 to 3 people access. Who have account admin access? But then they will also give the org admin, because already high level access is there, right? This all next level. So automatically they will give org admin, even security admin, user admin, sys admin, and public. All those access they will provide. So no need to worry about the theoretical case. I already mentioned all the document here. So here account admin is giving the grant manage privileges. I said already that whatever the security admin is doing means granting the privileges like create, monitor, modify, usage, managing the users. All this work is done by the security admin. So how it is doing, I didn't explain you. I'll explain now. And user admin is mainly for creating the roles and users, straightforward, right? And sysadmin is mainly for creating the database, tables, users, that kind of information is created or handled by the sysadmin. Then what is the purpose of public means? Actually it is a pseudo role. Okay, automatically by default it will be available for each and every users. If you create user, automatically your role will be added. That's a pseudo. Not only in real time, in practice time also we no need to use that roles, so we don't give any importance to that role. In real time also nobody will use that role. That will just pseudo role. It will be available for all the users. Okay, so now let me jump to 1 hour. Suppose if I want to talk about any role, I want to create the object. Okay, that's compulsory for me. For example, I'm creating an object, okay? An object by using the sysadmin. Clearly observe. Here I switched it to sysadmin, okay? Just I pointed here, automatically switch it to sysadmin. Create database name. This is the syntax, guys. Create database name. My database name is sales, for example. You can click on the run button here, or else control enter. If you mention also control enter, automatically it will trigger. Anything is fine. So now you created. Let me just refresh here. See, it is available. Now, if I go to same account admin, not available. Sysadmin, not available. Sorry, 1 minute. Sysadmin available, user admin not available. So few roles if I go, it's not available, right? Yeah. See, you can see which roles are available means for account admin it is available. Okay, let me note down for your clarity purpose. After that, org admin, no, not available. Security admin, available. Account admin available. Security also available. Okay, both are available. And also next I can check org admin, not available anyway. Sysadmin available because owner, sysadmin is owner. Okay, so actually created by sysadmin. Who is the owner of this object means? If you go here, if you click on the databases, okay, guys, I will take 2 days classes for this. No need to worry, no need to like a rush. Okay, so here if you observe, who is the owner actually? Sysadmin. Mainly owner is sysadmin, right? Sysadmin only is created this, so sysadmin is the owner, right? So here current current role is also account admin. That's the reason it's showing current role means here you can see how it is deciding the current role means at the back, at the end left side at the end bottom you can see role management here. If you based on this role, the it will switch from on the account level, it will switch. Okay, on the account level I'm saying, on the account level if you want to switch, you have to go with this option. No, I want to switch on the worksheet level. Okay, then you have to touch this. Worksheet level is this, account level is this. Account means the entire account. For example, if I change it to public, for example, okay, now it's a public. Clear? So you no need to worry about GUI, I guess. I didn't start any explanation on GUI, no need to worry. See, on public, if I go see differences, you are not able to see the sales, right? So this is the account level. Again, I'm saying account level, this option, okay? Then if you go to account admin, you'll be able to see. Then if you go to org admin, not able to see. See, account level, okay? So security admin, Yeah, you are able to see because I already mentioned here clearly. First priority as per hierarchy, security admin and account admin will have lot of privileges. Means the main, it's a kind of a heart of the project or account. Okay, so first account admin will be the powerful role. Then security. Okay, then org admin, but org admin for all, not all, but generally org is also powerful. Then system user, then system. Okay, this is the way. So something is created by sysadmin, automatically that access will be granted or be added to the account and security admin. You no need to do because it is very powerful, right? High level management it is doing. That's the reason by default, without any involvement, without any access level, it will be available. Okay, so that's a very powerful. First, who is the power means account admin on, then security admin, then remaining whatever. It's almost this all will be parallel only, not very small differences will be there. But first powerful power is will have with the account admin. So if you go to database generally, and if you change it to sysadmin, patience is very important, guys. If you rush, we cannot understand anything in this topic. Very patiently we have to handle. See, who is the owner means now sysadmin is the owner as a and also current role. Okay. Same way, if I go to account admin, see now account actually who is the owner means sysadmin. Why sysadmin is the owner means sysadmin only created this object. Okay, that's the reason it became the owner. Okay, if it is not created any object means it won't come into the picture only. It only sysadmin only created the object. That is the main reason why it is the owner. It is having the ownership. Okay, and account admin also have ownership and it is also current role. Current role means right now on the account level, it's the account admin. And the same way, if you go switch to the sysadmin, for example, not not security admin. See, now it is not there. Actually, if you go to normal cases, it is showing to you. This all privilege is very important. Way. As a object level here it is showing, but actually it is not having the total access on the database. Okay, just it is assigned but not having the total access. So like this privileges, whatever I may ask, whatever I mentioned you, all these privileges will be handled with the roles combination. Now sales is an object. To that object, account admin and sysadmin is working as a owners. Okay, for example, I want to show you multiple examples. I'm going to create one more object. Test. Okay. Suppose if I create a tester, okay. Okay, I created by security admin. Observe clearly. I created the things by security admin. Okay. So if you go to database, it is saying insufficient privileges. Okay. I'm trying to create actually, but this account have insufficient privileges. Let me do same work with the account admin. It created. Clearly see. Some changes will happen at the back end, guys. We don't know. So many updates will happen in the Snowflake. No problem, we can handle. See now who is the owner means only account admin. If you go to sysadmin also, you want to see as a owner only because sysadmin have no involvement to create the database. Only who created means only the see, It is showing, but it's not available. So who created means only account admin created. Now account admin is the owner. Why I'm giving this many examples means observe clearly when sales is coming into the picture, account admin and sales admin also owner. But when sales test is coming into the picture, who is the owner? Only account admin. Why sysadmin is not involved? Because sysadmin will have a ownership only when it object is created by sysadmin. But account admin is not like that. If any other roles handling also, in that cases also, okay, not created by account admin, if some other roles, some sysadmin or user admin, whatever it may be, some other roles are created, the object, those object or privileges also automatically will add to the account admin. That is the meaning what I'm trying to explain you. Okay. So sysadmin is account admin is very powerful. With this example, you can understand. Very powerful. It is like owner, right? For owner, you don't need to give any access, right? For users only you have to give. For owners, already they are owners. They will get all the privileges. That kind of object is that kind of role is account admin role. Okay. Hope everyone is able to understand my point or the difference at the powerful of account admin. Any doubt? Yeah, I give a unmute access. Any doubt? Ready?
Yeah, I see. In real time scenario, what kind
Hmm.
of roles developer will get?
In real time, customized roles actually customized roles. You won't get this all roles access only. Customized means few roles are designed. For example, my project is there. My project only, my old project, data eng. That is one role. Data developer. Okay, that is one role. Data admin. Generally, this kind of customized roles. Why you are keeping data as estimates? My project is designed. My architecture designed the customized roles with the data combination. Another project is there. DI dev, DI UAT. DI provide. I mean, that particular project is added like this. So project to project, customized roles will be there. Those customized roles related name and convention will be different based on the project. Got it?
Yeah, so based on environment, will get the access, right?
No, no. Based on your role. Suppose you joined as a developer role. Based on your role, you will get the access. For example, you joined as a junior resources in Snowflake project, for example. In that, in development role wise, they will give editing. Editing means you can read the data, you can write the data, you can modify the data, something like that. You can delete the data. All edit access. Here, they will give read and
Right.
edit only, not drop. Read, write, and edit means automatically you'll have write anyway, right? Okay. But if you go to prod, you only single person will have this many variations. So, but this role, if you have access, only read. They won't give anything. If you are senior developer, okay, then there is a chance to give write also. If you are senior, again, I'm saying. For junior level, for intermediate level, nobody will go because this is a pro data, right? Something is right is happening means it should happen programmatically. But by using users are doing something manually means DA product it's a pro data, right? It's very danger for the business. That's the reason they won't allow. Out of 10 people in our team, maybe 2 to 3 people will have access on the edit access on the pro data. That much very important they will provide to the product. Okay.
So
Like this, tell
so
me.
they can control the roles like depends on environment. Dev should be we can able to edit or delete anything we can do.
Yes. Where you will edit and edit generally, database nothing to do. You schema, we don't do anything. Table level, they will control that. Okay. Also, they are not controlling only for you. For example, for Sai Sri, they are not controlling, or from Reddy, they are not controlling, some X person, they are not controlling. They are doing that control on top of the role. For DA UAT role, they are controlling. Who assigned to this role, all will have same access. not
So,
for individual person.
so table level they can, I mean,
Table level. So who is having this access? Maybe you or me or some person. They can do this. So that is object level. They will control. I'll show you that also. I didn't show you. And let me go with my flow. I'll show you. Till now, what I tried to explain, guys, did you able to understand? Creating the database, two combinations. Yeah.
Sesri, one question. Like that, we know that creation of role is done by the user admin in there, right? If some of role like the DID or something will be created by the account admin, can user admin can modify or something to that, or he don't
Actually,
created by account admin?
don't. No, no. Role creation means you don't expect anything. I'll show you. Let me come with the role creations only now. One minute. Let me come.
Hello, Sai Sri, one wish.
Tell me.
They will control the objects based on the roles, right? Suppose
All right.
I'm the user, so I don't if I cannot read I'm the developer, I cannot read the data from the database, production
Okay.
database.
Okay.
So if I log in, I can view the database, but I cannot log into the data. I cannot do update.
Read the data. Okay.
Based on the roles and all, based on the user, they will control what we can do.
No. That's the reason I said no, right? If you are not able to read the data, you have to point proper what will say role. You have to point to proper role. Whatever the role you switched here, that is not supported for reading the data in the prod database related data. That role is not having privileges to read the data. You have to switch to particular role which have privileges. Here you are not the problem. A role is the problem.
So if in real-time environment, so if I assign two roles, I can see only two roles, right? Not account admin, system admin, security admin.
Right. You are right. Yes, you can see only two roles.
So based on that, whatever roles assigned to me, I can do separate.
You can do. Yeah. That also nobody, I mean, we are very privileges is there, right? Suppose if I assign prod data to you, for example, prod related database, you are able to access. You are not able to edit. So like that object, not only database schema level, even after that, whatever the objects is there, till that level, we will restrict you. So if you have prod data, generally what you know, I'm able to see the prod data. That much only you will do. More than that, if you want to do, whatever the privileges are with you, it's not useful. Something more than that privilege means different roles required to act, to write and read. Like that, we will control.
So okay, fine. So in user, okay, in one account with in production, they will maintain in one account all databases, UAT database, production databases, dev databases, right?
Right.
And
Previously means not now actually, almost 2021-22 story I'm saying. They used to use two accounts. One is for production, one is for dev and UAT. Like that, two different Snowflake accounts. Very long back, okay. Now, after that, John, they came with one account only. Now, all the projects are working with one account. In that account only, database, schema, tables, data, prod, UAT, dev, you can see. But with the help of these roles, they're controlling the privileges. Right. That's the way.
okay, fine, sir. Okay, fine. Got it. Thanks.
So yeah, I want to create now user. I'll create roles only, guys. No need to worry.
Hello.
Yeah, Abhishek.
We are unable to create in that Snowflake. Yesterday we have. That's it.
Snowflake account you are unable to create.
We have this accounts we are unable to create. No.
So many people already created their own Snowflake account.
Not Snowflake account. You are doing here, no? Create table something.
Okay, this interface. Okay. So nothing to do. First, if you go to home, maybe you will be in this page. I think so. Go to project. Okay. Click on the project. Okay. Observe it clear. Here you will see worksheet. Maybe your screen will be blank or one template also they will provide anyway. Some cases it may be blank. Go to worksheet here clearly. Okay. Click on this plus button. Okay. Automatically the new sheet is added for me. Okay. If you go here, it will don't go with Python. Python later on I will say why this worksheet came. But now you should work always SQL. Just click on SQL. Again, one more sheet will open. Okay. If you don't want, just close like this.
Thank you. I got it.
This sheet you can save, Sai Sri, or
You no need to save. If you close this particular sheet, then only this content will be vanished. If you don't close and if you log off from your system, no problem. It will be available. There's no need of save button.
okay, auto save, or
Auto save means you should not close this. Again, I'm saying.
if
For
I want
example,
to reopen tomorrow, I closed the worksheet and tomorrow I want to work in this same sheet.
you want to go with the project. See worksheet. Just now I closed, right? Two sheets, for example, for your understanding, I opened just now, right? See now I can go and I can open directly.
We can rename it, right?
You can rename it. Just double click here. Double click. Okay. Okay. And explain GUI class is there. One small topic is there at that day. Same topic day. I will go with the GUI also. Please be on the mute. Who is the? I'm getting some voice. Yeah. Please be on the mute.
Just want to check
Praveen?
one thing, SaiSri.
Yeah.
So account admin only will give permissions to security admin and system admin, right?
Not like that. Permission means not like that. Actually, security. I mean, for example, in our company, CEO will have his own responsibility. HR will have his own responsibility. Developer will have his own responsibility, right? So they have that, like what you'll say, the permissions to do whatever they want. For example, HR have permission to reject the profile or select the profile. The CEO involvement won't be there. General example I'm saying. Same way security admin have their own worker. For that separately, account admin no need to give permission. For example, anyway, I'm going with example. Praveen, can you go with your question? You are waiting for my response.
Yes, my question is when you created the sales database, why it was not visible to other roles?
Permission. Account admin is
Because
the
we did,
head.
right?
See who created sysadmin, then who created the
This
own.
admin, right?
If you created means you will be the admin, right? Generally you will be the owner, not admin, owner. Who create which role created, that role will be the owner. Now sysadmin is the owner because sysadmin only created, but automatically account admin got the access. My intention is account admin is very powerful, right? Some other roles, whatever they are doing, automatically you no need to give permission separately. Automatically privileges will be added to account admin. Getting my point? Same way, if account admin created some database, that privileges is not to a sysadmin because the high level, high to low, it means account admin is the high, right? If something is done by account admin, that won't pass to sysadmin role, that privileges. Getting my point?
So all the high level
Sai
roles
Sri,
will
you have shown.
automatically get the access, right?
Yeah,
No, no.
not all the high level, only account admin will have that power. Whatever other roles are doing, it can handle that changes.
Sai Sri, you have shown in one graph, right? Like account admin hierarchy. Can you show that? Can you show that once? So then it will be easy to grab the topic. So in this, okay. So whatever user admin has, the top layer is the account admin will have the access, right?
Yeah, this is the owner. If sysadmin created also, account admin will have access. User admin created also, account admin will have access.
Okay.
Security also, like customized roles like that will manage.
So as per the hierarchy, custom roles could not be created by security admin, right?
No, not like that. I'll show you. Now I'm creating those things only. Security. See, don't think like I gave down, right? That doesn't mean sysadmin will handle. Just I mean, we have to fit somewhere, right? So after this roles, this will be the next level. Then last level is public. That like that I provided. That doesn't mean sysadmin will have only the access to create the custom or it's a customized roles. Not
Here,
like that.
here, small point. Whatever security admin created, user admin cannot have the access because it is the down role.
Different. Oh, yeah, down.
If whatever user admin because created, because the hierarchy security admin and account admin can see, that is the hierarchy. Low.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this all system defined roles. After this, we will have this particular options. That is the meaning. Okay, many people are getting confused. Sysadmin only will create. No, levels I am saying. I'm just giving the information of the levels. Okay. Anyway, practical session only will help you to understand deep level. Let me go with that. So I want to use, now I'm using the security admin role. Okay, use the security admin role. Okay, see, you use role name. If you use role name, automatically the GUI will be changed to that particular role. Or else just directly you can go and you can switch. That is one option. Or else you can use this command and you can say use role name, automatically it will switch. Two ways are there to switch to the roles. So what role you are using here, that will be like a main thing, owner to the creation object. So now create role sales admin. This is one role I am using. Okay, create role sales engine.
SaiSri, one create role, all will have the access to create role. Only security admin can create this role, right? Or
No,
user admin can.
let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you guys, then I'll come back to your questions. So using the security admin, I'm creating the role of sales admin, right? I'm creating the role of sales engineer and sales analyst. This already I kept semicolons, right? Because of that, at a time I can select this and I can say control enter. Automatically, because of semicolons, it can understand these all are different queries. So once the semicolon is completed, first it will execute, then second it will execute, third it will execute. You no need to go one by one selection. Okay, at a time you can select and you can do. If you write multiple queries also, if you place the proper semicolon says that the statement is end. Like that, if you properly added the semicolon, automatically it can understand. Okay, first this is one statement, this is next statement. Like that, it will understand and it will create. Okay, so now security admin is created. Now someone asked me, can a sysadmin also can do this?
User admin also can do this one. Role creation.
Now I switch it to you already sysadmin. Okay, you don't have privileges. Clear? Sysadmin tried to create, because who is here, account level is not important, guys. Here account admin that is not important. If you're working in the worksheet, only this will become the owner. I mean, this plays very important role. Okay, if here you are a account level or whatever account admin or whatever level role, that is not important. In the worksheet, which role you added, that role is important. So sysadmin role is trying to create the role. Is it possible? No. Am I right? Clear?
Yeah. Saisri, just one question, like that you created by the system admin, right? Some role is created, okay. After some time, user admin want to some remove this role or something. Can he
That I'll show you.
do by that?
We can do removing all this. Let me go with creation and I'll show you removing also. See, now user admin is able to create the role. So sysadmin is mainly for tables of warehouse, database, tables, schema, those objects only handled by sysadmin. Clear? It won't touch any role creation. That is not sysadmin job. Is it clear?
Yes.
So only security admin and user admin can able to create the
Account admin also can create.
Okay, sure. Okay. All three can able to create the object,
Yeah.
not with the system admin. Got it.
Account admin, yes, sorry, I didn't use. Some change. I will remove all this unwanted for testing purpose when I'm creating. Account admin. It have access. Security admin have access, user admin have access, account admin has access. Org admin, let me show you. Sysadmin is insufficient. Org admin purpose, what is the purpose of org admin? To handle the account level. I'll show you that how to handle also. I'll show you generally that to handle the account level, org admin will come into the picture. Account level means if you go here, if you click on the accounts, okay, account level I'm saying, okay, this management is done by the org admin. See, suppose if I am creating another account, okay, in different different cloud provider also I can choose. From scratch I can create another account. This will become a child account. If I create new account now, inside of main account, if I create child accounts, whatever the billing is will be added, that the entire billing will be managed by main account only. For example, I'm taking Azure here for your understanding purpose, and I'm taking here Singapore, okay, something. And addition, I'm taking here standard. Okay, that's enough for testing purposes. I'm taking standard. Even I can choose everything. Then I'll click on the next button, and here test account, for example, account name, okay. Username I'll give my name only, password. For this topic, patience is very important, guys. Okay, password. Email ID means I will give an email ID also. So inside of one account, multiple accounts we can create. That is the meaning of this creation. Okay, I have one account only. Inside the child accounts, I can create multiple. Done. Done with this. You'll have this. See, have it or not. But what is the problem here? It is enabled or not? Enabled. Who
No.
created this first of all? Who created this? Account admin. Account admin. Org admin also can do this job. But anyway, org admin is the purpose. Org admin created that particular org admin role for the purpose of account management. Anyway, it can do. Even the same work can done by the account admin also. See, right? But unable to enable it. Okay, let me go here. You don't have any, at least you don't get any activation link also. Am I right? Now, still I need to enable this. Let me try with org admin. One. Who can enable this? Who can make this account active? Only org admin. Created by account admin, I'll agree now. But still, who can do modification? Who can enable means only org admin. See, are you sure you want to enable the org admin role on this account? Yes, enable org admin. It's saying the selector role does not have permissions to do action. Account admin is the powerful, it's kind of a king, but still it is not having privileges to enable the account. So again, I want to switch back to the org admin. Who is working as an org admin? They will only have the sufficient privileges to enable. Got the clarity? With and without both I showed you. Clear?
Yes.
So the only org admin purpose is creating the number of accounts and also handling the enabling, to handle the accounts also, it will be done by the org admin. That's it. Org admin is very simple and straightforward. Okay, so next part. Okay, let me come out from this. Now, I hope everyone is clear with org admin. We no need to talk much about that. Let me go with my next topic. So now here I'm trying to create actually roles now, right? I created some roles with a different combination of existing roles, system defined roles. I created new roles. Who created this actually? Security admin created. So org admin have the privileges of creating roles and creating the accounts and enabling the accounts. All this work done by the org admin. It have privileges, but actually still it have privileges means it won't do. Only security admin will come into the picture of creating the roles. Only security admin will have that work or that what will say responsibility to create the roles. Okay. Now security admin created the roles. Only creation is happened for the roles level. See, here you can see the roles. Okay. See, so many roles you can see here. Okay. So, in these roles, observe here very clearly who is created this? Security admin. Who is created this? Security admin. Who is created this? Security admin. So, all these are created by security admin, right? And these extra roles, who is created? User admin. Account admin, user admin. Actual correct job is this. Security admin only have to create. These are not right means user admin work and account admin, all this should not create any accounts. See? Let me drop this role. I have drop option. I can drop this. But what is the problem? Insufficient privileges. Why it is insufficient privileges? Because here account level, again observe guys, here account level I'm in the wrong role. Getting my point? For drop option also, sysadmin is not supported. Right? Okay. Let me go with the next any other role. Account admin. Account admin can do it or not, let us check. Let me go this role only because user owner is different and now dropping owner is different. That's the reason. Let me drop this. Drop this. Account admin not created that role. Created by user admin. Still account admin have capability to drop. Getting my point? Same way, let me switch it to security admin and let me drop another unwanted role. This is unwanted role created by user admin means owner of this. So let me drop this. Able to do. Yes or no? Again, let me go here and let me see the user admin can do this work or not. Insufficient means hierarchy is very important. Account admin and security admin are the very have high power comparing to the user admin. So this role is created by account admin, but we are dropping that account by the low level role. That's the reason it is saying insufficient privileges. Getting my point? Now the same work I can try with security admin. See. Because why it is not able to do? Even comparing to, again, if you compare account admin to security admin, who is the high? Account admin. So not. Let me switch to now account admin. Able to do. Got the differences? Now roles are powerful or not? User admin, whatever user admin is done, that is deleted or dropped by the account admin. But account admin created objects cannot touch by any other role. So once account admin is doing something, nobody can touch without the permission of account admin role. No other roles can do any modification changes. That's the restrictions they are provided. That's the reason I mentioned clearly. Account admin is very powerful comparing to the other roles. Is it clear? Then you will get doubt. No, security admin is done by the, I mean, this particular role is created by security admin. Account admin can drop, means 100% can drop, because security admin to account admin is more powerful, right? So it can do. Got it?
So Sesri, in hierarchy, first is account admin, then security admin, then system organization user
System,
admin.
or this all will come almost parallelly.
Okay.
Sysadmin will go with the objects I mentioned, right? Warehouse, the like that. User admin will go to create the users or manage the user something. Org admin account level. So almost I feel like three are same only, but
Okay.
different requirements is there for them.
Okay. And in the last is
Responsibilities are.
public, right? In the last is
Last
public.
public, that is like a
Right.
no use anyway.
Okay.
Okay. Got the clarity, guys? Only 2 minutes I'll take because first day session, right? I don't need to rush. Very slowly we can go. Whatever. See, I created the roles now. I created the roles with the security admin. Now I want to give access to the roles. Okay, this only the small point I will explain you. What I want to give access means whatever the privileges are I'm adding. Who, now in this actually, okay, as per your knowledge, who is the high and who is the low? Which role? Generally by seeing, I don't, anyway, these three roles right now, zero. Means no object is assigned, nothing is there, zero. Just empty roles. Generally by seeing the naming convention, which one is the high, which one is the middle, and which one is the last? Can you say?
Admin is the high, I think,
Okay.
and analyst and engineer.
Which one? Next, after admin, which role I can take?
Analyst.
Sure.
It should be
No.
the engineer.
Engineer will be general engineer will be there. Next,
Okay.
analyst. So here I mentioned low to high. Okay, low to high means like first analyst will have very least. Comparing to analyst, engineer will have more. Comparing to engineer, admin will have more access. Now, suppose for example, if I have read access for this, okay, read access on tables, for example. Okay, the same access can I give to engineer and admin or not?
So obviously you need to give the both, right? For both of them.
Yeah, right, good. Suppose I have write access for my engineer. Can I need to give for admin or not? Obviously we will
okay.
give.
Yes.
Edit means delete, update, all this. Edit, just I'm giving edit option, but edit. If I give I want only for admin. Okay, this is my requirement. So which work we are repeating so many times? Read tables. For 3 times I have to give. For analyst I have to give separately, engineer I have to give separately, sales admin also I have to give separately. Am I right?
Exactly.
So what is the meaning here? What analyst we have that should be available to engineer role. What engineer privileges we have that should be available in the admin role. Right? So now we are practicing 1 or 2 roles. I can execute the queries, but in real time, is it possible? We can recollect all this. What is the list of the roles or privileges we have analyst? Same thing, we can rework manually. It is tough job actually. Actually, it is tough. So to avoid that issue, grant role, okay, sales admin, sales analyst to role. Sorry. Okay, anyway.
ROL.
1 minute. Yeah, I'll correct it. So here what I am doing means, whatever the analyst role you have, automatically should assign to sales engineer. Whatever the sales engineer you have, automatically will assign to sales admin. Whatever the sales admin have extra privileges, no, it is not assigned to anyone. It will be like that only. So with this option, okay, if you run these particular queries for first time, only one time, in number of times, if you give some privileges, automatically it will add to sales engineer. Sales engineer privileges automatically will add to admin. So the read on the tables option, individually you no need to provide for all the roles. One role, only one basic role if you provide, automatically it will pass. For that purpose only, grant role analyst to role a sales engineer. Means whatever the sales analyst role is there, those role, whatever the privileges you are providing, automatically it will provide to sales engineer. Same way, here, right, you said, mate, if you give the privileges to sales engineer right access, the same privileges will pass to sales admin. So now we no need to do much hard work, right? Am I right? Getting the benefit, what it is doing. For
Actually,
example,
hello.
yeah, tell me.
That is the terminology used in this project: tant role, create role, sales analyst.
That is the keywords.
Okay. There are many or this many? These are only.
Grant role is the keyword. Create role is the keyword. Syntax. Simple way. It's all syntax. This you can edit whatever you want,
No,
but this all
there are.
syntax.
I'm asking, there are many or there are some to remember.
Automatically by learning process, you will get no need to worry much. And they are not very hectic syntaxes.
Okay, thank you.
Very simple. You no need to worry. With the flow, you will get automatically. Okay, fine. And so, what is the power of this means? Whatever the repeated work we want to do manually or individually for each and every role, that we are reducing just with one click. Okay. Now, suppose if I getting my point, benefit of this one, insufficient privileges. You don't have sufficient. So I want to give the security admin only. Security admin will have option. It added. Now, create give the access on sales analyst level. Automatically, it will that same privileges will pass here and will pass to account admin. Tomorrow I'll show you how to do that. Today already it's 9:30. Tomorrow we can continue. Once how to get how the privileges are adding one to another role we can check tomorrow. Okay, and we can check how today I just created the roles only with theoretical explanation. Tomorrow I will show you how to create object and how to assign, how to create the user, how to assign, all those things I'll explain. Still we have additional class on top of this. Okay.
SaiSri, just one question. Right, that we have the read, write, and edit. Edit means it is a structure wise, because write can able
Update,
to
update,
okay,
update,
update.
update.
Okay,
Update the data. This all I'm talking about table level only.
okay.
Because why you are Sai Sri, you're talking about table level database schema means database one box. For example, understanding purpose. Database is one box. Inside that box, schema is one box. Inside that box, table will be there. That is also one box. Inside that, data will be available. Get my point? So your data is inside of the table. But who is the parent for table? Schema. For schema, database is the table. Database is the parent. For database, where it will be available in our account. Getting point?
Yes, yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe if anyone gets confusion, no worries. I will explain daily. I will go with this flow only. It's a common terms for us. Who is getting like a bit scared or like how we can remember all this? No problem. See, this all not standard names. This is someone asks you, can you explain the syntax of creation role? Means create. You know already what you want to create role. So create a role name. Whatever the name you want, you can keep. That is called role name. You will keep role name as a sysadmin role, whatever it may be. Create role name. That is the syntax. Nothing to by heart here. Create user, username. What you want to create user only. So create user, username. So very small keywords only. I will try to give some more like shortcuts to learn. No need to worry about syntaxes. Okay. Database you want to create. For example, create database name. Nothing to by heart here, right? You already know what is the purpose, why you are talking about database for creation purpose. Create database name. That's like that. It may be new to you, so many syntax we won't remember only. We know the flow. Learning pro journey, you will get that flow. No need to worry. Okay? So, are you good with today's class?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. who are good, you can drop for today, guys. Next class, when was the next class? If you have any doubts like that, session will be 8 o'clock only. Next class related information, our team will be posted in the group. Okay, group, you have to check the groups. All updates we will update in the group only. If material added, recording added, class changes happen, or class is many emergency cases I cancel, anything we will post in the group. If still some people are not available in the group, requesting each and everyone, please add in the group. Group is very important. Okay.
Mostly regular. If there is any interruption, they will come
I
in.
think this week, for few new people, they are planning for alternate classes.
Okay.
As per my understanding, next week will be the regular classes.
Okay, fine.
Monday to Friday classes, guys. Any holiday because of any festival, something like that, or any case we missed the class in a week, there's a chance to have a Saturday class. Very rare cases. Depends on our holidays, or else Monday to Friday.
These documents we can get in the portal, right? And
yeah. I will post in portal. Like, today I'm posting you, but still we didn't complete topic. Only theory part you will find. Remaining no need to worry. I will complete tomorrow. This all I need to complete actually.
Video
Okay.
also
Still we will
uploaded in that.
video also they will upload.
Okay, thank
Video and recording both. Okay. So today refer till here, till 6th slide you can refer. This all I want to, still I want to work on these privileges. Okay, still we just now started. That's it. I didn't complete explanation. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, SaiSri, for my account, actually, I just check on that Raj Cloud, right? In that student section, I just go to there. So in that, it will be showing the previous batches video will be there for that enroll process.
Can you get confirmation from admin? Because I don't have any access to check that actually at website level. Only admin can do that. I'm not admin for that. I'm also user. Can you check? User to user, maybe some changes will be there, guys. So better if you.
Okay. Let me check with them only. Okay.
Yeah, please check.
Okay, sure. Yeah, thank you.
Who don't have any doubts, you can drop from the session. I no need to hold everyone. Who have doubts, stay and ask me the question. Okay. I will upload you'll get the material and recording, and that update will be posted in the drive. No need to, in the WhatsApp. Worry about that.
Yeah, hi Sai Sri. Do we need to have any data warehouse knowledge prior to this attending to this session?
No, I will say no, because I'm also not from data warehouse background actually before Snowflake. Without that, I'm able to handle the Snowflake. No, not required only. Data warehouse means again you have to go with the Teradata or else Informatica, those bold technologies knowledge. Actually not required.
Okay, thank you.
Old technologies, they have fact tables, dimension tables, guys. Now people are not talking about terms actually. Old technologies, data warehouse means first question, what is fact table, dimension table? You won't believe till now in my career, I didn't create any that terminology names only. Even interviews also I didn't face because Snowflake is different. It's a trend one. They are not following old terminologies also. That is different. So old concepts we won't see here maximum. Sorry, someone trying to ask a question.
Madam?
Yeah, Vamshi.
And parallelly we have to practice, ma'am. While you are doing, we have to practice parallelly.
No, don't do that mistake. Let me close my class. After my class only practice. Because in that practice you won't follow my keywords and my important points. So don't touch any screen. Just go to the class smoothly.
Okay, don't write anything also, ma'am.
Nothing to write. One more doubt you'll get. Okay, Sai Sri, I will miss your important points if you say anything. Means you have recording, right? One more time, go through the recording, write important points and practice and close the session. Like that you have to do. Everyone prepare your own notes, guys. Tomorrow, next class, I'll explain about the notes also. Already few people dropped. So preparation of notes is also important. Today, whatever hard work you are doing, it will help you for 4 to 5 years continuously. Later on, you no need of that book. You will have that knowledge with you only. Till that time, you have to maintain your own notes. I used to do that. I'll show you. I'll explain you all the tips. No need to worry.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
One general doubt, Sai Sri. So, what is the difference between Snowflake and a data lake? Both are different or
Snowflake
related to each other?
Snowflake and one more thing you said.
Data lake. Azure Data Lake?
They Azure Data Lake, both are different only. Snowflake, they are saying data, I mean, purely, very purely, it is related to warehouse concepts. I mean, warehouse means whatever we are doing in old technologies, that all we can do in the Snowflake. That's the reason I said both are like it's a warehouse concept. But data lake is mainly for the solution of storing the data and managing the data. Both are different, purely.
I see one question here. So all is
I
different role. Yeah.
No, your voice is different role after that breaking.
Okay, all this defining, creating tables, defining the models, star schema, Snowflake. It's a different role. It's a kind of different role, architect role.
We won't create, no, actually, we won't create any data stat schema, a Snowflake schema, no, nothing like that. In Snowflake itself, already they are using Snowflake schema. We will follow that hierarchy. No
Okay.
need to create anything. One person, I mean, nobody will ask you in projects, do you know start schema? We are using start schema. They won't talk about the schema term only. Generally, they will talk, okay, in this schema, you have tables and views like that, they will talk. But designing of the schema, no, nothing to do from our side, even in project level also.
Actually, there will be custom tables, right? Custom tables.
Tables will be customs. Database also create database, and that's only. I will do some design on top of that. No, they already designed. Schema also same. Tables not like that. You can design. However you want, you can design.
Okay, fine. This developer will not involve, mostly
Table creations, developer will involve. Schema and databases, even database I didn't create anytime, but schema I created actually. Schema we will get a chance to create. My project is scratch project, so first time I got a chance of creating schema. First time in these many projects.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, life is chance.
Hello, Sai Sri.
Yeah. Tell me.
I don't have any knowledge on SQL basics. I'm from a non-IT background. Okay.
Our team provided SQL classes, right? Are you following that?
Yes.
Okay. Let me know completed. Once the classes are completed from your side, let me know.
Okay. Is it possible for me to grab the job?
100%. Because how many days duration? 45 days I mentioned. With Saturdays, Sundays, almost 2 months, near to 2 months maximum.
Okay.
2 months is more than enough to learn parallel SQL. Snowflake is not hectic. You no need of installations, complexity. No, we are not doing that much complex, right? So use 1 hour time for SQL, 1 hour for Snowflake. 100, 200% more than enough 2 months SQL preparation. More than enough.
Okay, sir.
I'll help you what to do based on your knowledge. Okay, just let me know once you complete.
Okay, to build the SQL for 70 lines, 50 lines, is it possible for me or not? That's idea.
No, the SQL is not a big deal. You can. I'll guide you, bro. Yeah, Vamshi?
Yes. Man, SQL, we have to complete all the classes within 4 5 days. Means in this.
See, that is not, you no need to rush like that. Whatever you are completing, just try to practice properly. Without completing that class, I mean, if you are not completing that classes, it will affect our training. Means no, not like that.
Okay, that's what I'm asking.
No, don't affect.
It is not affect Snowflake, no?
100% it won't affect.
Okay.
But if you learn that classes, when I'm explaining, it will be more easy.
Okay.
Already you learned and you are again you are listening the class, that will be a bit different, right? Select star from table. What is the purpose of that? To read the data in the table. Okay,
yes.
You know that. That's the reason immediately you are saying some answer generally. If you don't know, if some person who is don't know any SQL, if they're sitting, they don't know what is select. Even they don't write correct. Select star means select str star they will write in place of star symbol. Generally, I'm saying. They don't know. You cannot do anything like that. That will be the difference. We have to explain that actually. Then they will understand. To avoid that issues, better at least this week anyway we will go with alternate. Next week I'll jump in the table. There onwards SQL will start. So before that, try to come close. Okay, you have good time on.
Hey, Sai Sri, I'm Sachin this side, and
Yeah, hi.
today was my first day, and that too I joined in between. I thought you're starting with admin part, right?
With admin part, because this is a very like how people are entering into the account is very important, right? I'm trying to
Right.
give that information, how they are entering and how they will handle this.
And then step by step, what would be your curriculum? Are you going to start with
Uh,
architecture?
no, after this after this roles and users, tomorrow, I mean next class also roles and users only. After the fourth class will be there like architecture. Then after that warehouse creation. After the database, schema, tables. From there, as usual, all the developer topics.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Actually, from warehouse only, I can say it is a warehouse also we won't create. That knowledge is also important for developer. From where we will handle means from the schema creation onwards, developers also.
I think we lost Sai Sri, I guess.
No. I'm saying where we will from schema creation onwards, developers will work actually practically. Before that, all are the admin concepts, but knowledge is important for that.
Right, absolutely. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Sri.
Hi, Raghu.
Okay. In SQL, store procedure are also important.
Store processes are not, I cannot say it's not important or important. Project. In my career, out of 5 projects, one project I got store procedure requirements. Generally, I'm saying. Maybe in coming up in future, maybe I will get. I have knowledge already. Like that, it will happen. Compulsory, every project they won't use store procedure. In every interview also they won't ask store procedure, but they may chance to ask what do you require. I mean, how much knowledge you require. I'll provide you. Don't need to worry. So table creation will be compulsory for and all the 100 projects also they will create the table. For example, I'm saying like that 100 projects we won't use store procedure. Out of 100, 10 or 20 projects there's a chance to use store procedure. So
One last question, honestly.
yeah.
So schema creation, table creation is it will be under our role. About that, like database creation, account management, user roles management will be a different role.
Admin. No, yeah, powerful who have the power of admin level they will have.
In real-time
Admin
projects,
level,
in
same.
real-time projects, only Snowflake developer who have some experience, they will assign that role, right?
Very less chances. My observation, I'm saying, we will get projects from US or UK. Am I right? Almost there. That is the location. Client will have some people from their side also. We are the vendors actually. We are going from different companies. They are the vendors. So they won't give access to vendors. They will give their own employees. Nowadays, every project, every client have their own employees. Am I right? Every project, not one or two.
Yeah.
Previously, very long back, old projects. Old means before Snowflake also, I can say old time. Vendors only used to deal end to end. They used to pay the money. They used to say requirement. No developer, no admin from their side. End to end, we used to manage total work. No,
But
they're
now
not. No, they are not doing. Admin totally they're handling. Only development work they are giving to vendors. That
okay.
is the reason I said you won't get a chance to work on. Even you won't get a chance to see that process how they are doing internally.
Cost management, all role management,
Everything. If you
evaluation,
ask,
account management,
obvious,
all will they will do.
everything. You ask me, Saisri, can you share the how much cost you are affecting for your project? I don't know. That is the truth. I cannot say fake amount. I don't know really. I
So
don't know that.
our roles, we cannot see that cost sheet,
First of
admin.
all, that list only you won't see. That
Okay,
list that list only you won't see.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah. So nobody will ask you guys in interviews. Nobody will ask you what is the cost of your project. That's a wrong question. No, everyone knows that we don't have access on that level.
Okay, fine. Yeah, this view is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, guys. Sorry, we are running out of time. Please, if you have any work, you can drop. No problem. I will also end the session in 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, you can wind up. Yeah.
Yeah. Others, Kumar, you have doubt?
Yeah. Hi,
Actually,
Session.
this
Yeah,
video
we need
will
to learn
available
complete
on.
course of DBT and ADF or
So
any particular topics.
come again.
We need to learn complete DBT and ADF course or any particular topics on that.
ADF particular topics I'll follow. DBT completely, Snowflake completely. We both completely we will learn.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I mean, what is DBT? Database transfer or what?
DBT data build tool actually for transformation purpose we will use. Data
Okay.
build tool. DB
Is it
also will be there. DB keyword also is there. That DB is different. DBT is different.
so
Both are.
DBT is like any ATL tool, like Informatica or ADF? Or
No. You cannot because Inform everywhere have capacity of all end-to-end work, but DBT have only code management. It cannot store anything. It cannot, at least temporary also, it cannot handle the data. Again, it is backend depending on the Snowflake only. So we cannot compare anything, but DBT is like purely code management for transformation. That- At the actually, guess at the backend, Snowflake only working again code management only it is doing means it will handle the codes, that's it. And whenever execution starts, backend Snowflake will execute the query.
so does the DBT is in useful? Means, does it used by any client? Because it's not a full-fledged ETL tool you are saying, right?
No. There's so many clients now using. Why? Because Snowflake with the DBT, we have I mean, topics are happening with the DBT combination. Suppose if you want to keep for example, SCD type 2 table is there. You have to design that table. If you want to use in Snowflake, you want to design the structure, everything, merge concept, merge related query. But if you go to DBT already it is designed. Just you have to use the concept. For example,
So
I'm
those,
saying
so those plugins are already there. You can just
already is there. Just you have to use it. That whatever we are missing, advanced part, we are not missing any everything. Very advanced level, what we are not able to do in Snowflake, that is added by DBT. So these two combination is like going like anything in the market.
okay.
Previously, 1.5 year back or 1 year back, I didn't remember. If you keep in your resume DBT, you say at least definitions also they used to give job DBT definitions. Because
Oh,
nobody knows the concept, right? If the person knows at least definition, he can handle the job. That's the way how it happened. Now they're expecting some syntax. 1.5 year, 1 year back, no syntax only.
and in ADF, what are the main components you
A
will cover?
copy activity. Only copy. ADF, how to do the copy activity, how to list the files, how to archive, how to delete. Only files
So,
handling only we will handle.
put a blob storage to
Blob,
the
obviously, blob also. Without blob, we cannot. Blob is important and the ADF service is important. Only two services. Not more than that.
I think time is running up. We'll have
Yeah.
questions.
Please, you can. Yeah, because so many people are rushing to their office. I know that. Please, you can carry on. First day, right? I don't know how many of you joined today only. For them, I am giving so lot of time. Generally, I will wind up 9:30 because all are working people. I cannot hold for long time.
Yeah, I just complete session by 9:20 and 10 minutes you
Yeah,
yeah
10 minutes.
personal
Yeah, but
make that fixed so that
this
yeah
this session and next session I'll go with more time because from next third session onwards, 9:30 before 9:30 I will wind up the class.
yeah
No.
just ask admin to mention like that so everybody will be
Yeah.
getting the
See now Sachin joined the first day, right? Some kind of some
that is fine,
people
that's
will.
fine.
Only
Okay,
one.
fine.
That's the reason. You can drop, no problem. Already 15 people, half session is dropped. Okay.
Okay, fine,
Anyone have
fine.
question? Please be there and remaining
There
all
will be a
can
lot of
drop.
questions but we'll drop for today.
Anyway,
thank you.
actually I am recording. No need to worry about the questions also.
Okay, fine.
I'm recording.
SaiSri, this video will be uploaded by?
By it takes 3 hours to convert all this process. Our team will give update at the evening, afternoon, I think so, maximum. Once it is conversion is completed,
Thank you.
immediately they will give. Yeah. Check some WhatsApp update, that's enough. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Thanks for joining in the session. It's really good session today. Let's meet next session and we can close the pending topic of roles and use. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.